Okay, ji, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sayyida Aisha Shaukat. I am basically taking grade 2C. I'm taking English, Math and Science. If I talk about my introduction, I am the focal person for this Century project, which has been launched this year with the City School. And my total experience with the City School is around 10 years, including a total experience of 16 years in teaching field. Okay, so first of all, I'll not take a lot of your time, rather I'll just go quick. I just want to ask first that how many of you are able to log in your child's account? Okay, so many of them are. All right, so before you go today, please, I want you to log in your accounts over here, your child's account over here before you leave. ठीक है, ताकि आप लोगों को घर में जाके कोई मसला face ना हो. Okay, so first of all, I want to introduce you that what is Century and why is it important and why we are inculcating it in City School. Okay, Century is a tool that is basically based on artificial intelligence. AI का ज़माना है, ठीक है. अब तो things are changing. Gen Z का ज़माना है, AI का ज़माना है, and it's with the latest research in science and neuroscience basically. Whatever nuggets is like the exercise. It's the name of the exercise. Whatever nuggets they're solving, the errors that they made, it is further processed through AI और उसमें आगे आपको AI based nuggets provide किए जाते हैं. वो कहाँ होंगे वो मैं I'll tell you. Century, it has partnered with more than 70 countries, and one of which is Pakistan. And Pakistan में कब introduce हुआ था? जब COVID आया था. She is the one who's the CEO. She's the founder of Century. Before going to this video, I would like to tell you that whenever the nugget starts, you'll see over here. Whenever a nugget starts, there's a video before the exercise. In case you don't watch that video till the end, your percentage will not be 100%. ठीक है. एक और चीज़ ये कि इस नगेट को आप बार बार कर सकते हैं, but the questions will be a little different. ठीक है. उसमें भी जब questions different आते हैं, you have to watch the video. In case, I mean, like for example, we as schools, we are giving awards based on the student's performance, right? Now, अब आपको कैसे पता लगेगा? Once the child is done with the nugget, in the end, it will show you the result. How many were correct, how many were wrong, what question was what, and everything. I mean the whole detail, right? This is the student side. अच्छा, एक मिनट से इसको pause करें. अच्छा, पहले क्या हो रहा था कि you guys were logging in through this, right? You people were doing that from this. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि आप लोगों के लिए आसानी के लिए, because you guys were facing a lot of password issues. So what we did, we are using this part now. Over here, you'll enter your student's email ID. Sorry, your child's email ID, and the password is default. CSN123. Capital C only. SN @123 exclamation mark. That's it. Now you can log in from here as well. Instead, अगर आप लोगों को यहाँ से कोई इशू आ रहा है तो आप लोग सिंपली यहाँ से लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. पासवर्ड सेम है सबके लिए, ठीक है. Now this is the recommended path. ठीक है. Now there are lot of things over here going on. These are the remarks. ठीक है. ये रिमार्क्स आपको एक एंड में हर बच्चे का अलग एक रिमार्क होगा डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्कोरिंग. इस किस्म का आपको एक स्कोर प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा जिसमें आपको बता रहे हैं कि इतने करेक्ट थे, इतने रॉन्ग थे, ये नंबर हैं एंड ऑल दैट. और उसमें एक सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन भी हो रही है यहाँ पे. हाउ वुड यू रेट द कंटेंट, मतलब बच्चे को कैसा अच्छा लगा, नहीं अच्छा लगा, हाई लेवल का लगा, लो, व्हाटएवर, यू जस्ट हैव टू रेट इट यूजिंग द स्टार्स. हाउ डू यू फील? आई फील. यू कैन टाइप ओवर देयर हाउ डिड द चाइल्ड फील, राइट. ट्राई अगेन में क्वेश्चन थोड़े से डिफरेंट होंगे. हो सकता है वीडियो सेम हो, बट द क्वेश्चंस दे विल बी अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. एंड बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ए टेस्ट, if let's suppose the child right now he got 4 out of 12 correct, अभी का जो स्कोर है that is maybe 75%, ठीक है. and if he wants to attempt again, वो कहता है नहीं मुझे तो 100% लेना है, ठीक है. यही नगेट होगा, यही मतलब आप you're gonna play it again, the questions will be different but scoring change हो जाएगी. Let's suppose this time he scored 75%, next time he attempts the questions and they're 100% fine, तो वो 100% हम टीचर्स के पास वो 100% रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. ये हट जाएगा, मतलब ये वाला स्कोर मिट जाएगा, तो उसमें आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now you can see that these cells, they all are filled, but over here you can see some of the cells, they are filled and some are empty. Why is this? Because we being teachers, we can assign different number of nuggets as well to different students. Let's suppose I've got 25 students in my class, right? I want 5 of my students whom I think who are excelling at everything. I will assign them some very difficult nuggets. Maybe 5 of the students who are spending lesser time at home in studies, I would assign them some different nuggets. So this is the different kind of nuggets that I've assigned different students. So इस वजह से आपको ये सेल जो है वो empty नजर आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैंने अगर let's suppose विलियम्स को जो मैंने नगेट दिया है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं वो डेविड को भी वही दूंगी, ठीक है। और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि मैंने एक कोई ऐसा जनरल एक नगेट है वो मैंने सबको असाइन कर दिया है। Yeah.
If there is one nugget that's assigned by the teacher, and then you have a pathway. Is there any chance that the pathway would be a lesson that is already there?
It could because see, that is ultimately it's a suggested nugget, right? Now there could be some difference as well. I mean, the questions could be different, or either way, it could be one of the already existing nuggets, because it is collecting data from the attempted nuggets with the students has already attempted. So it's collecting the data from there, and it's remaking a nugget or recreating a nugget for that particular child.